thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lamoille County in northwest Vermont, southern Grand Isle County in northwest Vermont, northeastern Essex County in northern New York, east central Clinton County in northern New York, northern Chittenden County in northwest Vermont, Franklin County in northwest Vermont, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:06 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing 1-inch diameter hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was near South Hero, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Milton, Burton Island State Park, Fairfax, Georgia Center, North Fairfax, St. Albans, Fletcher, Fairfield, Bakersfield, Waterville, Belvedere Center, Enosburg Falls. This severe thunderstorm is also producing deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-863-4279 or by submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Tuesday evening for northern New York and Vermont.
Oh my god.
Now the official weather.
There's a tornado watch in effect.